Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to download Roblox in Samsung Mobile. To download Roblox in Samsung Mobile, you need to first of all head over to your respective app store or the Google Play Store. And when you locate it, so you want to type in Roblox on the search bar. And once you do it, so you'll be able to see this sort of film where you could go ahead and click on the install button. Wait for a couple of seconds and make sure that you have a stable internet connection before you install it. And once you are done installing, click on the play button, log into your account, and that is a simple way how you could actually download Roblox in your Samsung mobile. So likewise, once you're done installing it, so if you don't have an account, you could simply go ahead and create it. And for that, you want to tap on the sign in button, or if you already have an account, then you could log in, and that way you'll be able to play Roblox on your Samsung device. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.